Travis must be the first one to get through, or they called Travis or something when they got in.
Baby.
Okay, let's do this for you.
Uh-oh.
Oh, where'd you go? Hey. Hey, big boy. Mm. Mm. Mm.
You like that game? Or you think when you see your time,
He does it quick, like a lizard.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
You see his eyelashes from here.
Well, there's the cut mark. Oh, then put it right here.
Is it cold?
Yeah. You can't have my finger. You can't have my finger.
You clean out the one in the
That's my finger, boy.
You don't want to look disgusting.
You can't eat fingers.
It's spilled in the drawer.
You can't eat
Just
fingers.
take the soap out there and use the hose.